Hello guys, hi people. We are here to eat rice. So come and eat with us. As you can see, very hot one with rice. Yes. I never taste this tea as a cooker. Sweet. Now the rest salt. Never taste both salt, everything when I put I don't taste. It's crazy. Oh my god. I have to use my you need my
No. Take this chicken.
You don't need chicken. Myself don't need that shower. So my husband said you don't need this chicken, guys. Me, I don't also need it. I want to eat fish and fish and egg. Is what I want to eat. The shona. Love is sweet too. The money ain't that. Love is sweeter, eh? That's your food. But the sugar. Oh, but this tea tastes like whipping.
It's not stew.
Christmas tea, I don't think Tata Shea cook. Tata Shea finished for the whole supermarket. I don't think Tata Shea cook. But we still manage the rice. But you know, it's not red.
I should use this.
I don't know. Now beef be that. Now goat meat be that. Shaki be this. You know you don't need chicken at all. Really? I believe that they will change that. May I go be Shaki?
Okay, if you did.
Shaki day now. My husband say no one eat chicken.
Peel my teeth.
It's too strong. Okay. You know you can get a strong chicken in Germany here. So this is a very strong one. Everybody they eat, the whole house they make cocoa. When they hear the background, everybody they eat the same time. And I'm eating, I can't drink. This chicken I need to the corner. I don't need it.
Too strong.
Because that means I don't need chicken. I don't see that I should take cook for December time. I could be sure like that. Manage like that. After all the stuff I want to do, it should be my person. This one that be Christmas too. You need fish.
I don't make fish.
I can't take it too. Me say no white chicken. I don't want golden. Fish and this thing is okay. I'm done. Laka. Thank you guys for joining us. I've enjoyed it. A poor glass they eat. They're comfortable like that. People will not know, they'll say this glass na glass to see road. I don't know say na guy might they use that too. I don't know. This kind of come after her. Make people buy you do glass. See? I will do one. Why you like her? Don't know when that's why you carry. Look at it, they put professor glass. And I saw my daughter they like her. They tell me say like glass so they put for her. This kind last one. Okay, I say and people won't add the print to know. I mean papa I go to December for that. This is slick again. Thank you guys. I will return this chicken. I don't need that. I don't already make up. I don't forget all the fat to burn today. Or maybe I give the children. You don't want it. I don't want it come. Okay. Thank you guys. I'm done. I missed you. Be okay.
It's okay.
Who's that? What do you need? You need more? How many people need more?
I don't know.
Ask the rest if they need more. Let me come and give you more. They need more. They're still really sweet, guys. I cooked her last night. I never tasted her because it was late. I don't eat it in the night. Excuse me. Thank you guys.
You guys.
I'm not going to give my children more food.
You guys. Ciao.
Try my shoes. Bye.